Got a 2003 Saturn Ion. Has the 2.2 liter EcoTech in it. This car is suffering from no start. When I say no start, it's actually not cranking at all. Doing a little investigation and seeing what is going on with it. So we're sitting inside the Saturn Ion right now. Let me show you exactly what's going on. So the key's in the ignition. Take the key. Nothing. You're not getting anything. You're not getting any cranks. The battery is good. It is charged. It's brand new, and it is all good. The starter has also been tested. It's been jumped across the solenoid to the starter, make sure it's engaging. We also went to AutoZone and made sure that the starter is good as well there. Everything seems fine. So we even went so far as to go underneath the dash and make sure there was nothing underneath here. There was a remote car starter installed, and since then we have completely removed the remote car starter and hooked back up all the wires that needed to be. So there's nothing interfering with the actual ignition system going to the starter. Investigating, thinking that it might have been the park/neutral safety switch. Cleaned all the connectors, made sure that was all good, just in case maybe that was not detecting that the car was in park position or neutral. But it was. It was working just fine. And trying to figure out what else it could be. Then we figured out what the problem was. After a little bit of looking around, following this cable all the way down to the starter, that is there's a wire on here that engages the solenoid. I slowly traced on up, feeling around a little bit, and I found this wire right here. This wire was disconnected. This wire was supposed to be grounded to that bolt. I hope you can see that all right. So the eyelets were disconnected. That wire actually broke off from rusting over time, probably from the engine flexing and whatnot. What I did was I took that wire, which is right here. I then put eyelets on it. After I put eyelets on it, I then am going to reconnect it to that bolt, and with that bolt, or with that nut, tightening it down. So let's do that now. Take that bolt off. Run that. You should do this without the battery in, as those are wires that will be grounding. So let's go ahead and connect this wire. I'm going to slide it on down past here. And with that, go tight in there. So now you can see that those yellow eyelets are now onto the bolt, and then just tighten the nut all the way. So it's nice and tight. And then get out your 13 millimeter. So with your 13 millimeter, I have it on a 1/4-inch drive ratchet. Just go ahead and tighten that up after you got it all done with your fingers. Nice and tight. And now let's go back into the vehicle and see if it will start up. Now with the battery reconnected and those wires properly grounded to the engine, I'm going to go ahead and put the key into the ignition and make sure everything is working correctly, and Just like that. Started right up. Lights are working. Obviously the engine's running just fine. I hope this helps solve your issue. Please make sure you like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and hopefully it will get your car running. Thank you.